Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the general settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find general. So let's tap. As you can see, almost at the top we've got the software update, and after tapping on it you will see two different scenarios. So here we've got the first one where we can see that our device is up to date, so we do not have anything to download. And also a quick disclaimer, I forgot to say about it at the very beginning of the video. You need the internet connection to be able to check for the updates, so remember about the Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. The second scenario is when you can download any kind of updates. Your device will of course show you the information about them, so what is new, what has been checked, and what has been replaced, for example, and you will be able to tap on download option and then download the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.